friends, how are you doing? I am Ruby, as you know, and today's another read aloud is Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. So, let's get to it. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to... Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be best friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no. Do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. But I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Piggy! Piggy! I have a cold. Good for you. Thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.